Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Hope all are well. This is Amrita. सबसे पहले मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी जय श्री राम सबको. And let's start today's topic is structure of tooth. This is a part of two. This is a series of human digestive system. In previous session already discussed about external structure of tooth. Here discuss about internal structure about tooth. So before start this topic, please I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more, share and press red button and hit like button for upcoming notification for this series. So let's start without any wasting time. Firstly, draw your structure of tooth. Okay. Firstly, draw your structure of tooth. Firstly, here draw your structure of tooth. Okay, firstly draw your structure of tooth. Okay, this is a tooth. Internal structure of tooth. Firstly draw here. Okay, this is a internal structure of tooth. Here. Okay, this is the internal structure of tooth and this is the green portion. Firstly draw here. This is a green portion. Green portion. Okay, this is the internal structure of tooth. Here. Okay, this is a tooth. Internal structure of tooth. Okay, this is a white part showing on your screen. This is a enamel. Enamel is a hardest material in human body. A tooth has an outside white covering. A tooth has an outside white covering. This is called enamel. Enamel is a hardest material in human body. This is the most important question for all competitive exam. What is the hardest material in human body? So you can say one word, give answer. This is the enamel. Enamel is a hardest material in human body. Okay. So a tooth has a outside white covering. This is called enamel. So here label this enamel. Okay. Label this enamel. So first point we will note it here. A tooth has an outside white covering. White covering. Outside has a white covering. This is called enamel. Called enamel. Called enamel. This is called enamel. White covering. This is called enamel. Okay. Here underline. Okay. So this is a enamel. A tooth has an outside white covering called enamel. This is the hardest material in the human body. So next point, the enamel, you can see on your diagram, this is a white covering outside. A tooth has a white covering outside called enamel. Enamel is a hardest material in human body. This is the hardest material in human body. This is the hardest material in human body. Hardest material in human body. Okay, this is the hardest material in human body. Okay. So this is a very clearfully description of each part and a very easy method. You know about internal structure of heart. Firstly, know about animal. Animal is the hardest material in human body. This is the most important question for all competitive exam, and a tooth has an out covering called animal. So what is animal? A tooth has a out covering white. A tooth has an outside white covering. This is called animal. And we will come about next point. The next layer inside the animal forms the main part of tooth is called dentine. This is a dentine here. Firstly, here cover. Okay, so this is a green outer covering you can see on your screen. This is a dentine. The next layer of animal inside the animal, present in inside the animal, this is called dentine. Okay, this is called dentine. This is a nerve cell. Okay, this is called dentine. This is called dentine. Green part you can see on your screen. This is a green, and red covering you can see on your screen. This is a very clearfully description of internal structure of tooth. Each part will take here one by one. Okay, so this is a dentine. Okay, the next layer inside the animal form the main part of tooth is called dentine. This is a dentine. Okay, D-E-N-T-I here. D-E-N-T-I-N-E, dentine. So we will write here the next layer. The next layer inside the animal. This is the next layer inside the animal. You can see on your diagram. This is the next layer here. This is a dentine inside the animal. The next layer inside the animal. Here. Okay, next layer inside the animal that forms the main part of the tooth. That forms the main part of the tooth. Tooth is called dentine. This is a dentine. It's called dentine. Here, underline this. This is a underline. Is called dentine. Okay. So this is the next part. You can see on your screen. This is a green part showing dentine present in inside of the animal. Okay. So next point we will come about the center of tooth is called pulp. The center of tooth is called pulp. Here. The center of tooth you can see on your screen is called pulp. Dotted here you can see on your screen this portion. Okay, this portion, okay, is tooth. This portion, okay, tooth. This portion, this is called tooth. This portion, this is called tooth. Okay. Here, this is a blue pen, and inside the enamel. Okay. Enamel is the hardest material in our body. Enamel is the hardest material in our body. Okay. Here, this is the nerve cell found in between pulse, nerve cell, and blood vessel in it. Okay. This is a pulp. This portion. This is a pulp. Okay. Nerves. Okay. And here this is, okay, okay, this is a pulp. So level this is a pulp. Okay, this is a pulp. The middle center of tooth is called pulp. The center of each tooth is called pulp. So we have to write here the center of each tooth. The center of each tooth is called pulp. This is the center, pulp. Pulp is present in middle of tooth. The center of each tooth is called pulp. Is called pulp. Here, this is the underline, is called pulp. Okay, the center of each tooth is called pulp. The pulp is soft and blood vessels and nerves in it. The pulp is soft and blood vessels and nerves in it. Firstly, here completed this diagram. The blood vessel, the pulp is a soft structure and blood vessels and nerve in it, present in it. Okay, present in it. Okay, so this is a internal structure of tooth. So this is the internal structure of tooth, and here this is the internal structure of tooth, and pink like soft structure is called gum. Okay, this is a gum. This is a pink like structure you can see on your screen. This is a pink structure. This is a pink structure. Here, this is a pulp. Okay, this is a pulp. Okay, here. So this is a gum, and middle section is pulp. Middle section is pulp. Each tooth has the center of each tooth is called pulp. Is called pulp. Okay. The pulp is soft and blood vessels and nerves in it. The blood vessels and nerves provide food to the tooth. Okay. These blood vessels provide food to the tooth. So this is a very clearly description here and very clearly diagram showing on your in front of your screen. This is a internal structure of tooth. So this is a pink like structure here. Here this is a gum. This is a gum. Gum is a firmly fixed to each tooth. Okay, firmly hold the tooth. Okay, the function of gum is a pink like structure present in our mouth and firmly hold the tooth. Okay, this is a gum. In previous session already discussed about this is a gum. Okay, you can see on your screen this is a gum. Here this is a gum. This is a pulp, and here this is a blood vessels. Here we have to write here blood vessels and nerves. Here nerves. Okay, this is a nerves here. Okay, blood vessels and nerves in it. Nerves and blood vessels. Blood vessels. Okay, so this is a very clearly description on your screen. So dentine. So the pulp has soft and blood vessels and nerves in it. The pulp is soft. Here the pulp, this portion, the pulp, the center of each tooth is called pulp. Pulp is soft. Pulp is soft and nerves and blood vessels and nerves in it present in the pulp, and blood vessels and blood vessels and nerves, blood vessels and nerves in it, and nerves, blood vessels and nerves in it. Okay, so what is the function of blood vessels and nerves present in the pulp? The blood vessels and nerves, these blood vessels and nerves provide food to the teeth. These blood vessels and nerves, here we have to write here these blood vessels and nerves, these blood vessels and nerves provide food to teeth. Okay, so this is a very clearly description of internal structure of tooth. So let's revise. A tooth has an outside covering. This is called enamel. Enamel is the hardest material in our body and in all human beings. So what is the hardest material in human being? This is this answer of this question. Enamel is the hardest material in human being. Okay. In the next layer present inside the enamel, this is called dentine. Okay, this is called dentine, and dentine form a main part of a tooth. And next, the nerve cells and the pulp has the center of each tooth. This is a center. You can see on your screen. This is a center. My finger put in this line. This is the center of each teeth. Is called pulp. Pulp has a soft structure and blood vessels and nerves present in it. Pulp present in it. Okay. the function of blood vessels and nerves provide to food to the teeth. Okay, these blood vessels and nerves provides food to the teeth. So we will end this video here, and I will request you all, please subscribe, like and more share, and press that button and hit like button for upcoming series. And next video we will come about kinds of teeth. Okay, this is a human digestive series for class 10 CBSE pattern. So take care, goodbye and stay in home. Thank you.